In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Basecamp. Using templates is a great way to save time and keep your projects consistent, especially if you find yourself setting up the same types of projects over and over again. Instead of recreating everything from scratch each time, you can turn a well-structured project into a reusable template in just a few clicks. First, start by opening the existing project you want to use as your template. This should be a project that's already set up the way you like. It might have to-dos, schedules, documents, and messages that you typically need for this type of work. Take a moment to quickly scan through the project and make sure it really represents your ideal starting point. That way, every future project created from this template will begin with a solid foundation. Once your chosen project is open, look toward the top right corner of the project screen. You'll see the Options menu represented by 3 dots. Click on this Options menu to reveal additional actions you can take for the project. From that drop-down menu, select the option that says Save as a Project Template. This is the command that tells Basecamp you want to convert your current project structure into a reusable template. When you choose this option, a dialog box will appear with a few important settings. Here, you can give your new template a clear name and a helpful description. Use a name that makes it obvious when to use this template, such as the type of project or the client context. In the description, you can briefly explain what the template includes or any notes your team should keep in mind. In this same dialog, you'll also see options to keep user assignments and to include comments from the original project. Think carefully about these choices. If you typically assign the same people to the same roles every time, keeping user assignments can save you setup time. If not, you may want to leave that unchecked. Including comments can be useful if they contain instructions or context that will always be relevant, but you might skip them if the original comments are very specific to one situation. When you're happy with the settings, click Create Template. Basecamp will now copy the content of your project into a new template. Keep in mind that chat history is not included, and all content in the template will default to private, meaning it won't be visible to clients by default. After this, your template is ready to use whenever you create a new project.